In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email funnel automation in ActiveCampaign. By the end, you'll know how to build a basic automated funnel that sends emails, waits between messages, and branches based on what your subscribers do. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look to the left-hand side of your screen. In the sidebar menu, find and click on Automations. This is where all of your automated workflows live. If you're starting from scratch, your list might be empty, and that's totally fine. Next, look for the option to create a new automation. Click Create an Automation, then choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas instead of using a template, which is great for learning how everything works. When you're ready, click Continue. ActiveCampaign will now ask you to select a trigger. The trigger is what tells the automation when to start. For an email funnel, a common choice is Subscribes to a list. Select that option, then choose the list you want to use. Once you've done that, click Add Start. Now, anytime someone subscribes to that list, they'll be added to this automation. With the starting point in place, it's time to add your first email. Click the plus icon that appears in the automation builder. A menu will open. Choose Sending Options, then select Send an Email. You'll be prompted to either select an existing email or create a new one. Click Create an Email, give it a clear internal name so you recognize it later, and then design your message. When you're done editing and reviewing the content, save and exit back to the automation builder. To space out your messages, click the plus icon again and go to Conditions and Workflow, then select Wait. This step lets you control the timing of your funnel. Set how long you want ActiveCampaign to wait before the next step, for example, 1 day or a few hours, depending on your strategy. Now, to make your automation smarter, click the plus icon again, go back to Conditions and Workflow, and choose If/Else. This allows you to branch the path based on subscriber behavior, such as whether they opened an email or clicked a specific link. Set the condition you care about and confirm it. You'll see 2 paths, one for yes and one for no. On each of these paths, you can keep building your funnel. Use the plus icon again, choose Sending Options, and then send an email to add more follow-up messages. Repeat this pattern of emails, waits, and if/else conditions until your funnel matches your goals. Once you're satisfied with your automation, look to the top right of the screen and find the toggle switch. Change it from inactive to active. This turns your automation on, so new contacts who meet the trigger conditions will start flowing through your email funnel automatically.